हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरी लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाउनको लागि बेल आइकनलाई क्लिक गर्न नभुल्नुहोला।
Hello everyone and welcome to Samsung Galaxy Unpacked. We're changing the shape of the future with the Galaxy Z Flip. When it's closed, it is a thing of beauty, and the cover display shows me all the information I might need at a glance. When I'm ready to use it, all I have to do is flip it open, and I get a full-size 6.7-inch screen with hardly any bezel. The Galaxy Z Flip comes in 3 gorgeous colors: mirror purple, mirror black, and in select countries, mirror gold. And when closed, you can check the time, get notifications of a text, alarm, or a call. All the essentials are right there on the cover display. You can even take a selfie without opening up the phone. It's so durable, you can fold and unfold your phone over 200,000 times. With the world's first hole-punch camera in a foldable display, you get the same sprawling, expansive screen you've come to expect from Galaxy smartphones. We built a freestop hinge so it can stay open at different angles, just like your laptop. We call it Flex Mode. Your screen is split into 2 parts, a viewing area and an interaction area. The hinge is the backbone of any folding phone. We created a layer of fibers inside that tiny gap to keep the particles out. It can be yours from February the 14th, and it's available starting at $1,380.
My great pleasure to introduce the brand new Galaxy S20.
At 64 megapixels, S20's revolutionary camera system takes smartphone photography to the next level. And with Galaxy S20's space zoom, you can get up to 30 times closer. With single take mode, S20 uses AI to capture different versions of that exact same moment, using each of its different cameras. Just take a short clip up to 10 seconds, and single take captures different versions of that game-winning goal. Thanks to S20's super high resolution, you can capture videos in stunning 8K. Record a video, then scroll through the footage to find the perfect moment. And with a single click, you'll get a 33 megapixel still photo with amazing resolution. With Pro Mode, you can adjust aperture, exposure, and settings that you'd usually have control over with a DSLR. We even enhanced Super Steady Mode, so you can take sharper videos on the go thanks to AI motion analysis and an anti-rolling stabilizer. We've got a powerful processor, an all-day battery, and thanks to the Galaxy S20's incredible storage capacity, up to 1.5 terabytes using a micro SD card. With S20, you can share files with up to 5 friends at the same time without even having to pair your devices. We're proud to introduce the Galaxy S20 Ultra. You want high resolution? It has an unbelievable 108 megapixel AI camera. The S20 Ultra takes multiple frames using software along with hardware to merge them all into one high-quality photo. This technology combined with a bright night sensor means you'll get bright, accurate pictures even in low light. That's because Samsung's pioneering nonobitting technology combines 9 pixels into one. You want the device to stay as thin as possible. So we built it with a folded lens. When the light enters the telelens, it's refracted at an angle, producing a powerful zoom effect. The folded lens allows for up to 10x hybrid optic zoom. Now multiply that with a 10x digital zoom, and you can magnify a shot up to 100 times.
The displays on all 3 S20 models have 120 Hz refresh rate for incredibly smooth gameplay. We also doubled the touch response rate so you can game with less touch lag. The S20 also comes with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and it's powered by next-generation memory technology, Samsung LPDDR5. From March 6, you can get a Galaxy S20 of your own, starting at $999. And all 3 models will be available in blazing fast 5G. We're also pleased to announce that effective today, we are reducing prices on the Galaxy S10. And soon, S10 users will get some of the great features through software updates. Introducing Galaxy Buds Plus. Buds Plus don't just have 1 speaker, they have 2. Optimized for high note, 1 for bass. With speakers almost 40% larger than before, they don't just give you more sound, they give you better sound. Thanks to our partnership with Spotify, with 1 simple long press on the side of your buds, you get recommended songs based on your music history. Instead of the standard 2 mics, these buds have 3. So even if you're calling from a crowded street, your Buds Plus will pick up your voice. We've also enhanced ambient sound so that you can hear sounds more clearly and adjust the volume when you need to be aware of your surroundings. Buds Plus also works seamlessly with iOS. With wireless charging and wireless power share, you don't need any cords or connectors. Once your Buds Plus are fully charged, they'll last a whopping 11 hours. And with the charging case, you can get another 11 hours for a total of 22. You can get a pair of your own on February 14 for $149.
Thank you.
As TM mentioned earlier, we're streaming today's event with S20 devices. Give it up for the camera crew.